Hello guys, welcome to the live stream today, okay? So let me switch on my camera. Alright guys, welcome to the Aurex YouTube channel and the live stream in the Telegram group. So guys, is it okay? Is it everybody can hear my sound very clearly? If you can hear my sound very clearly, then you type yes in the chat box or in the group chat, okay? Alright guys, welcome. And I have to apologize to you guys because I have no I didn't have time to do the live stream yesterday because yeah, I'm having diving the diving courses, okay, and then I went to the like exam. It is an exam, it's something like an exam, okay, and but finally I passed the exam, guys. Then I get a diving license, okay. That's a great experience, guys. So later on, I will share the experience with you if it is got if it is got if we got extra time, then I share you guys the experience. Okay. Alright, guys, welcome to the Aurex YouTube channel and the live stream. Okay. So if you guys can hear my voice, then you type okay. Okay. Then you type okay or yes in the chat box. Okay. Alright, so let me start the live stream today. So yeah, so we should start from the technical analysis first, okay? So let's look at the market today. Alright, so if we look at the 4-hour chart, okay, so on in the previous live stream I used to say that I mentioned that okay, if you look at the price action in 4-hour chart, okay, we can see that there is a breakout here. Okay, there's a breakout. Okay, so this is a breakout. Okay, so means that the price has already broken the uptrend structure. Okay, so means that this is the first this so we can I I can I can I can recognize it, or I would say that okay, the price start to give me a signal that the price start to become start it started to it started to go down. Okay, because what? Because the price has already break the the significant low or this very important support level. Okay, so this is the first information or signal I saw. Okay, I saw in a 4-hour chart. Okay, so this is the breakout structure. Okay, the uptrend structure has already broken. Okay, so I think that in the long term or maybe in the midterm, okay, I think that the price will go down. Okay, the possibility will be higher. Okay, that the price will go down. Okay, and then we look at the 1-hour chart, right? Okay, if you look at a 1-hour chart, right? Okay, so the price action is almost the same. Okay, same with the 4-hour chart, the price action in 4-hour chart. Okay, so there's a breakout structure here. Okay, there's a breakout structure here, and then this is the first thing, and then the second thing, and the second information I see is that so there's a lower low. Okay, sorry, it's a lower high. Okay, here's a lower high. Okay, if you look at the current if you look at the current price action, okay, so same also. Okay, same also, there's a higher low here. Okay, and then the price also create a lower low. Okay, sorry, this is a lower high and then the lower low. Okay, so this is the downtrend structure. Okay, this is a downtrend structure. Okay, even though the price pumps up just now, okay, even though the price pumps up just now, okay, but if you look at the 15-minute chart, okay, if you look at the 15-minute chart, okay, so there's a downtrend structure also. So for me, right, okay, for me, right, as long as the price didn't as long as the price didn't break out this resistance level, then I think that the price would the possibility or the probability of the price going down is higher. Okay, because this is the trend. Okay, this is the trend. So when this is the method I'm using when I'm trading, right, I always follow the trend. Okay, I always follow the trend. Okay, so how is the difference between the long-term trading and the short-term trading? Just it is it the 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 different how to separate the long term and the mid-term is a time frame. Okay, so if you want to do the long term trading, then you may use the higher time frame. Okay, something like 1 hour or the 4 hour chart, or maybe day chart also. You can use day chart also. Okay, but if you are a short term trader, then for me, right, for my experience, I will use 5 minute chart and 1 minute chart. Okay. All right. So what I say just now is the is a midterm trend and the long term trend. Okay. So let's look at the short term trend. Okay. Let's look at the short term trend. If you are the short term trader, then for me, I will look at a 5 minute chart. Okay. But for the 5 minute chart, right? Okay, that's it is tricky here. Okay, it is tricky here because what? Because if you look at a 15 minute chart, right? Okay, you can see although the price has already create a lower high here. Okay, but you can see the price here creates a creates a creates a higher low at the moment. Okay, the price create a higher low at the moment. Okay, but is it possible that the price goes down and then create a new low? Yeah, it is possible. Okay, it is possible. But based on based on the current situation, the price or the chart pattern or the price structure show me that okay, it is a potential, you know, uh higher low. Okay, it is a potential higher low structure. Okay, so if so I will make the conclusion is that okay, if the price cannot break out this this support level, then I would take a buy here. Okay, I think I will buy here. Okay, for short term. Okay, it is for short term. Okay, because what? Because we are because this is my habit or behavior. Okay, it is something like my habit here. Okay, when I'm using 15 minute and 5 minute or even 1 minute, right, I will do I will take short term trade more than the long term trade. Okay. All right, so if you look at a okay, so let's look at a 5 minute. Okay, so I have mentioned that the trend is it is a potential higher low. So let's look at a 5 minute chart. Okay, so if you look at 5 minute chart, right? Okay, so there's a potential higher low. Okay, this is a potential higher low, and then if you look at the price action, the current price action here. So it is a downtrend structure. Okay, so it is a downtrend structure in 5 minutes. Okay, but the price pumps up. Okay, price pumps up here. Okay, so if you look at so there's a there's a significant high here, and then the price break this resistance level. Okay, so and then the price after the price pumps up, and then the price have a pullback. Okay, and you see the price currently didn't break this support level. Okay, price didn't break this support level, so means that the price have a opportunity to go up. Okay, if the price, as long as the price didn't break this support level, then the price have the chance to go up. Okay, so if you if you want to trade short term, right? Okay, for me, I will use 5 minute chart to identify the current trend, the trend at the moment, and then I will use 1 minute chart to make an entry. Okay, so Okay, since we have already identified the trend in 5 minute chart, right? Okay, so this is a breakout. Okay, this is a breakout. So this is the first signal or first information that the price uh maybe will go up. Okay, this is the first information. This is a breakout here. And then second, there's a potential higher low. Okay, this is the second information. So these two information, right, shows that the price is forming a uptrend structure. Okay, so in the short-term bias, I will take a long. Okay, in the short-term bias, I will take a long trade. Okay, means that I think I will buy gold. Okay, if there's a confirmation in 1 minute chart. Okay, there's an information. If there's a inform sorry, if there's a confirmation in 1 minute chart. Okay. All right. Okay. So what is the confirmation that I'm waiting? Okay, so do you see guys? There's also the price structure here. Okay, you see the price pumps up here and then the price retrace. Okay, and guys, if you look at the price movement at the moment, you can see that the price is start to form a ranging. Okay, the price start to form a ranging. Okay, so there's a question, or maybe there's a so this is the confirmation I want to wait. Okay, okay, so let me delete this resistance level or the support level. Okay, so for me I will focus these two range. Okay, so first is the resistance level in 1 minute chart, so which the price range is around 5,000 and 5,097 to 5,100. Okay, this is the range of the resistance, and then the support level is around 5076 to 5072. Okay, so what is the conclusion I'm waiting? So first, if the price can break out this resistance level, then I will buy. Okay, but if the price break out this support level, then I will sell gold. Okay, I will sell gold. But if but for but based on the chart pattern, right? I think that okay, for me, I think that the price will you will break out this resistance level and then goes up. Okay, because what? Because based on the 5 minute chart. Okay, so there's a breakout here. So this is the first signal that shows me the price has a higher probability to go up. Okay, and then this is the first thing, and the second thing is that okay, if the price break out this if the price break out this support level, right, then the price will touch the support level in 5 minute chart. Okay, so okay, so it shows that the difficulty of breaking this support level is higher. Okay, the difficulty of breaking these two support level is higher. Okay, so for me, right, if the price want to move faster, right, for me, okay, I think that the price will go up. Okay, because before that the price has already broke this resistance level. The resistance level has been broken. Okay, so means that the buying power is very very strong. Okay, so based on this information, I think that the price will go up at the moment. Okay, I think the price will go up at the moment. So but it still got a chance the price will go down. Okay, so in the financial market there's no nothing is 100%, okay? Nothing is 100% sure, okay? But what we can do is we based on, we trade based, we we doing trading based on, based on the confirmation and the probability, okay? So how we, increase our probability of winning? Confirmation, okay? Confirmation is very important, okay? So yeah, so this is the thing I'm waiting, okay? So so you can see the price is trying to challenge this resistance level in 1 minute chart, okay? Okay. Okay, all right. So the price is challenge this resistance here. Okay, so I will put alarm. Okay, I will put alarm here. So I will put alarm here. So if the price successfully break out this resistance, right, then the trading view will notify me. Okay. All right. So let's look at the silver. Okay, same thing here. Okay, same thing here. So if you look at a 15-minute chart, okay, there's a potential higher low. Okay, there's a potential higher low. Then okay, if you look at the 15-minute chart, okay, there's two breakout. Okay, there's two breakout. Okay, so first breakout is here, and then the second breakout, and then the second breakout is here. Okay, so means that the buying power is very strong. So if you look at the 1 minute chart, okay, there's the same structure here. There's the same structure. So the price form a potential higher low. Okay, and then if you look at the 1 minute chart here, so there's a price structure or the price movement. Okay, so I w- I want to see that the price, break out this resistance level. Okay, all right, so this is the confirmation I'm waiting. This is the confirmation I'm waiting. So if the price break out this support level, right, then I think that the price will go down first and then retest this support level. And if the price break out this, if the price break out this 1 minute support, right, the price in 5 minutes would form big big ranging. Okay, the price will form a big ranging. Okay, so yeah, so that's why I want to have a, I want to see the confirmation before I entry. Okay, all right, so and also I would like to set an alarm. All right, so okay, so let's see. Okay, so the price retrace after the price touching this resistance level. Okay, but the price start to rebound again. Okay, seems like the price start to rebound again. So it is a potential higher low. Okay, there's a potential higher low here. So let's look at it. So let's see how's the reaction. I would like to see the price to goes up. Okay, I would like to see the price would goes up, and then look, if you look at the silver, okay, same pattern here. All right, so seems like the price is testing this resistance, okay, but I think it is a good situation. Okay, I think it's a good situation, okay, because what, if you look at the price action here, okay, so price from there's a higher low, okay, it is a higher low, okay, although the price action is small, okay, it is small, okay, but it shows the pattern, okay, it shows the structure, okay, it shows the structure, okay, so that's mean the price have a higher probability to go up, okay, but if you want to be safe, then I think for me, I should wait the price to break out, okay, so as a confirmation, okay, so because it is very simple, right? So if the price want to go up, okay, so first thing first, the price need to break this resistance level, right? Okay, so then if the price can break out this resistance level, then I would identify it as a, there's a big buying power here, and then I would follow the buying power or follow the big player to, buy together. Okay, yeah, okay, so okay, let's look at the cryptocurrency. So the cryptocurrency is dropping, right? That's okay. But I saw that the price start to pumping. Okay, all right. There's a good pumping here, but still okay. Then the seller take action here. Then I think that we should wait for a while. Okay. So let the price move first. Okay, let the price move first. Okay, but if there is no confirmation within this live stream, okay, then it's okay, okay, it's okay, okay. Be safe, okay. Be safe is more important than, be safe is more important than the, uh more important than earning money or losing money. Okay, it is more important than earning money. Okay. Okay, all right. So the price is challenging this instant level. Okay, so I'm ready, guys. Okay, I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay. All right. Okay. So the price is, is rising. Okay, it is rising. Okay. So I'm ready for the gold and the silver. Okay. All right, guys. So wait. Okay. So the price almost break. Okay. All right. The price is almost break the resistance level. Okay. So I'm looking for the gold first. All right. Okay. So all right. So the price is rising. Okay. So I will enter. I will enter one trade first. Okay. Let's look at the gold. Okay. Buy now. All right. So I entry here. So my entry is here. And then my stop loss is here, guys. Stop loss is here. Then my first target is here. Okay, the previous the previous high. Okay, the previous high. All right. So the price. Okay, higher bit. All right. Okay. So the price is bumping. Start to bump. Okay. So we wait for the silver, guys. Okay. We wait for the silver. Okay, so wait for the price to move. Okay, so let's see whether the price can pump like, like pump like Wednesday. Okay, I did my live stream at Tioman. Okay, when I having the having a vacation. Okay, the Wednesday live stream. Did anybody follow? All right, looks like the price still pumping here. Okay, so there's a quick 1,000 profit. Okay, and the price still pumping, guys. And the price still pumping, guys. All right, so the trading view notify me that the silver price start to break out. Okay. All right, so the price start to break out. Okay, I want to see that the candlestick here. I want to see this candlestick. This the closing price close above this resistance level. Okay, but if I entry now, all right, it is okay to entry now. But the position of the need to be need to be small. Okay, bye. All right, so seems like the price start retrace. Okay, but it's okay. So as long as we as long as we set an SL, then it's okay. Okay, so the price, or the price form like a doji style. Okay, the price form a doji pattern. Okay, but for me, right? Okay, it's okay for it is okay for me. Okay, because the price is volatile, so it is okay to be have a have a up down. Okay, something like this. Okay. All right, so the silver price is pumping. Okay, so same with the gold. Okay. All right, so there's a quick pump here just now, okay, for gold, and then silver, the price still, retract, try to form a, seems like the price form a ranging, okay, the price starts to form a ranging, okay, then never mind, we still can wait, okay, so wait for the price to react, okay. So guys, so there's around, okay, the price form a ranging, okay, so be patient guys, okay, be patient, okay, as long as you got a plan, and then it's okay, okay, so be patient, okay. Okay, oops, the price dumping, okay. Hmm. All right, guys, be steady, okay? Be steady, okay? So if as long as the price didn't hit the stop loss, then still okay, okay? So because the price may form a false breakout, okay? Force you, force you to sell or close your order, okay? But if you got a plan, and then you plan everything before you trade, right? So it should be okay. All right? Oh, okay. Oops, the light has. All right, so let me set up my lightning first, because the lightning has already switched off. Okay, so wait for me, guys. All right, so guys, be steady, okay? Sorry, just now I didn't switch on my mic just now, okay? So, all right, so let's see how okay? So the price almost hit my stop loss, okay? Do you think that the price will rebound, okay? Do you guys think the price will rebound, okay? If you think that the price will rebound, then you type yes, okay? Holy shit, guys, almost, okay? The price almost hit the stop loss, okay? But be patient, okay? Be patient, okay? Be patient, okay? I still got a chance, okay? Alright, my order And my gold order has been stopped out, okay, but it's okay as long as I still got a chance, okay, because I still got one order, okay, I still got one order. All right, so my gold has been stopped out, okay, so I will delete this drawing. All right, but my order in silver still didn't close, okay, so I would wait, okay, so be patient, okay. All right. All right, the silver start to rebound, okay. The silver start to rebound, and then if you look at the gold, right? All right, so for me, right, I will wait for the confirmation first, okay. All right, because what? Because the price start to form a ranging here, okay, form a ranging here, and the price didn't break out this support, okay. So there's a potential ranging, okay, the price potential to have a ranging here. And okay, so let's look at the gold first. Sorry, I will look at the silver, okay. So if the price, right, if the price can, can break out this resistance, and then the price close above this resistance level, then I think will be safe, right? Okay, I think it will be the possibility become higher, okay. Hmm. Hmm. Ai, the price from a ranging, okay, it is difficult to trade, okay, for now. It's very difficult to trade, guys. Okay, so the price rebound. So how about gold? Okay, the movement is smaller. And okay. All right, so the price form a ranging here, okay, and then the price start to retest this resistance level, okay. So I want to see that the price really have the breakout, okay. I want to see that the price really having a breakout, and then there's okay. I wish that the price would break this level, okay. All right, so the gold price come back to coming to the resistance level again. Okay. All right, the gold price rebound, and I think I will enter again. Okay, I think I'll enter again if the price Hmm. So it is the same price range here. And all right, all right. I will enter again here. Okay. Unfortunately, I have been stopped up, but it's still the price give me a signal again, so I will enter again. Okay. All right. All right. So the price start to pump. Okay. All right. Although the price sweep the liquidity. Okay. But it's okay. Okay. At least price start to pump this time. Okay. So yeah, nice. Okay. All right. There's a quick 2,000 profit here. Nice one. Okay. Nice, bro. Nice, guys. Okay. All right. Seems like the price still pumping here. Price still pumping. Then okay. Okay. So what I will do is I will secure my profit. Sorry, I will move my stop loss first. Okay. So I will reduce the trade. Sorry, I will reduce the risk. All right, here. All right, the silver price and the gold price is pumping, guys, and seems like the silver price move even faster. Sorry, it's gold price. The gold price is moving faster. Okay, faster than the silver. Okay. All right. All right, guys. There's a quick 5,000 profit is around and nearly okay. So all right. Now the profit is around 6,000 here. Okay, and the price still pumping. Yeah. Okay. So for me now, I will set a BE. Okay, I will set a BE here. So if the price comes down, then I won't lose. Okay, I won't lose. All right. I will set a BE. I will set a BE for the gold, and then I will reduce the risk for silver. Okay, so means that I will adjust my stop loss level. Okay. All right. Okay, so guys, the price is bumping now. Okay, price keep bumping. Okay, nice one, nice one. Okay. Alright, so guys, I will set a BE for the goal, and then yeah, so there's no, so my trade won't lose. Okay, my trade won't lose now. Okay. All right, guys, enjoy your profit. Enjoy your profit, guys. There's a 10,000 profit now. Okay, 10,000 profit now. All right, seems like the silver almost hit my first target. Okay. All right, and the gold price has already, reached my first target. Okay, then right for me, I will close. Okay, all right, guys, I'm waiting for the price to reach this target, and then if the price can reach this target, okay, then I will close both trade. Okay, I will close both trade. Okay. All right, so come on, guys, come on, silver, come on. All right, almost touch. Okay, so guys, the price touched my first target, and then I will close these two. Okay, I will close these two position. Okay. All right, guys, the price pumping even more. Okay, after I taking profit, the price pumping even more. Okay, but it's okay. At least today is a winning day. Okay, today is a winning day. All right, today is a winning day. Although the first trade hit the stop losses. Okay, but I cover my losses already. Okay. All right. So guys, if you are holding your trade, okay, remember to set a BE. Remember to set your stop loss, or move your stop loss to a safe, to the entry level, so it becomes the break even point. Okay. So it is for the safety. Okay. It is for a safety purpose. Okay. All right. Okay, that's nice. The price still pumping. Nice, guys. Guys, is it somebody follow? Does somebody follow? All right, there's a good trade. Okay, there's a good trade at night. But guys, the time is flying very fast. Okay, then because there's 11 o'clock already, then I think I should end up the live session for today. Okay, and apologize again. So because of I'm having a vacation in these 3 to 4 days. Okay, so I'm able to I'm able to start the live stream as scheduled. Okay, but it's okay. So since I'm come back, so next week the live stream will be conducted as scheduled. Okay, as scheduled. Okay, so I will do the live stream on time. Okay, so guys, thanks for coming for the live stream today. Okay, so guys, if you want to join our VIP group and access to our signals or teaching materials and VIP services, guys, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel and then join our VIP group. Okay, so contact Grace for access to our VIP. Okay, all right. So guys, thanks for supporting us, and then I will see you next week. Okay, I will see you guys next week. Okay, so guys, enjoy your weekend and then good night. Bye bye.